Pinterest Ads Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so be sure to check them out. In this video, we're diving into Pinterest ads for dropshipping, exploring its features, strengths, weaknesses, and how it can help drive targeted traffic and boost sales for your store. Pinterest is often overlooked by dropshippers, but it's an incredibly powerful platform when used correctly. Pinterest is a highly visual search engine, which makes it a perfect fit for e-commerce and dropshipping businesses with visually appealing products. With over 450 million monthly active users, Pinterest is not just a platform for inspiration, but a place where users actively seek out products and ideas they want to purchase. Pinterest ads allow you to tap into this intent-driven traffic and reach users who are already in a shopping mindset. Key features: visual-based ads. Pinterest's platform is all about high-quality visuals. This is perfect for dropshipping stores that sell products that look great in images, such as home decor, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products. Targeting. Pinterest allows for granular targeting options based on demographics, interests, search keywords, and even specific behaviors, enabling you to target your ideal audience with precision. Shopping ads. Pinterest shopping ads allow you to directly promote your products with clickable images, taking users straight to your website to complete a purchase. Promoted pins. These are regular pins that you can pay to promote, ensuring they reach a larger and more relevant audience. They blend seamlessly into users' feeds, making them less intrusive. Increased brand awareness. Pinterest users are often in discovery mode, which means they're actively looking for new ideas and products, making it an excellent platform for building brand awareness and generating sales. Who is it for? Pinterest ads is ideal for dropshippers selling visually appealing products, particularly in niches like home decor, fashion, beauty, or DIY. If your product can catch someone's eye and spark interest, Pinterest is a platform you should consider. Strengths and weaknesses. Strengths: high-quality visuals, strong targeting, high-intent traffic, promotes discovery, cost-effective for some niches. Weaknesses: limited to visual products, requires great creative content, may take time to see results depending on the niche. Final verdict: Pinterest ads is a great platform for dropshippers with visually engaging products. While it can be less effective for certain niches, it excels in categories where users are looking to discover and purchase new items. With proper targeting and creative ads, Pinterest can bring significant traffic and sales to your store. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details and start using Pinterest ads to grow your dropshipping business today.